Betty Finocchio.
Okay.
Speak into the mic, Betty.
Oh, okay.
No, into the mic. Right there.
Okay.
Get close.
Can you
All right.
hear?
You're
Okay.
charged with going through a red light on Pleasant Valley Parkway and Valley Street.
I did stop at the light,
You
but I
did?
turned right. You see my brake light's on. I stopped, but I turned right.
There's a sign that says no right turn on red. You think there's a sign there?
You know, I've been doing that for years. I never had a problem. I just never, I didn't realize the sign until, like,
Well,
after I
Do you know whether
drove by
there's a
another time.
Do you know whether there's a sign there or not? Is there a sign there?
I never really looked, but I've been doing it for years, going right on red over there. But the ticket is for going through the red light. I didn't go through it. I turned right on it.
Oh. I don't think the ticket says going through a red light.
Yeah.
Let me see what the ticket says. Let me see that ticket, Inspector Quinn.
A mere technicality, right?
Well, sometimes you can
But
win on a
I've been
technicality.
turning right on red there, like, as long as I've been driving.
All right, let me see what the summons says. This is to inform you that Betty Verrocchio willfully and with malice aforethought went right through a red light,
I didn't,
making a right-hand turn.
did it say right-hand turn?
No, it doesn't say that.
Oh, come on now.
Here's what it says. It says your violation is red light violation. That's what it says. Let's take a look at it. All right, Lisa, show her the sign.
Where am I?
Now, that sign says no turn on red.
I know, I didn't realize it was there until like days later, after, because I was taking my son to work. I drive there all the time. And like I said, I know the right, it's there now. I mean, but at the time, I didn't realize it.
I know.
But I didn't go through the light. I kind of stopped and went right. I don't know. Guilty with an explanation, I guess.
In your situation, the sign is very clear and very visible. It's right in front of you. It says, no turn on
I know.
red.
I know that now.
So why'd you come in? You could have just paid
No,
it.
well, I thought I kind of had a little bit of a lenience because I didn't go, like, through the light. I stopped and went right. I don't know.
Inspector Quinn.
Your Honor,
I wasn't being
I
fresh
watched the
about
video
it.
and it's the second right. So, I mean, if you want to cut it down on going through, taking a right, taking the
think you were gonna
second
notice
right.
Oh, the sign didn't say you can't make a turn second right.
Correct, Your Honor. I'm
She's
going to have to change that again.
See, Inspector Quinn?
This includes, no, I'll put another sign up saying this includes the second right.
Inspector Quinn just sprung to your defense. Actually, he's right.
I was
I
springing,
know.
I was springing to the
I was hoping you
prosecution.
didn't catch on to that.
Wow.
Now, here's what we're going to do, Betty. There is some confusion. There's not enough. There's some confusion. There's a sign there, and there's two different rights. So because of the confusion, I'm going to charge you $35 court
Oh,
costs.
thank you.
So it's worth it you coming in. Don't come back next week and say, I didn't know,
No,
I didn't know.
I know now. I know now.
Do you know?
I know.
Let me hear you say, I know.
I know.
All right, Inspector Quinn.
Thank you so
I
much.
know also, Judge.
Thank you.
I've got a question, and I need you to be honest with me. Am I getting too soft? Letting Betty off because she took the second right? Really? That's not even a real law. The old street cop Ziggy would have charged her double for such a boneheaded move. The new snowflake chief inspector Ziggy looked at Betty, saw a sweet lady who could use a break, and then made up some crap to give her one. What's going on?
Based on both of those counts, I'm going to dismiss it. Good luck to you. Keep up your good work.
Caprio. He's gotten into my head, and maybe that's a good thing. Drive safe, Betty, and remember, 2 illegal rights actually make a wrong.
Catherine Francisco. Catherine, you have 4 different registrations. First of all, your motor vehicle has been booted. It's been booted because you have 13 violations. You didn't pay one, not even one. Additionally, there was a warrant issued for your failing to appear in court for an environmental notice 3 years ago. And you never appeared in court on that. There's been a warrant issued for your arrest on that. So the chances of your boot getting released are slim. What do you want to tell me about this?
Your Honor, thank you for your time ahead of time today. I just want to explain to you that, unfortunately, I'm one person. So I do have 4 registrations, but unfortunately, my mistake, and I'm here confronting you today because I know now the risks that you run registering vehicles for other people. Here are vehicles that I had registered for my siblings, and unfortunately, this is my mailing address. I reside with my boyfriend in a different address, and they were not telling me about these tickets that they were receiving on the vehicles that I had registered for them. I got into a car accident late 2015 where I dislocated my hip and I had to get reconstruction of my knee. So I didn't drive for almost a year. And right after that, I became pregnant and I had my daughter literally just a week ago. And I was on bed rest due to the complications of the pregnancy because of my physical state. And I haven't been driving for almost a year and a half. And I'm very upset because I wish that I would have known about everything that was going on ahead of time so that I could have reprimanded them correctly and took care of the situation. And I'm not here to bore you with excuses.
Wait a minute. You drive the Hyundai.
The Hyundai was originally mine, but I wasn't able to drive it after my accident.
Which car has been booted?
The Hyundai.
Well, if you don't drive it.
I'm sorry?
You just told me you don't drive the Hyundai.
No, my mom was in court yesterday.
You don't drive the Hyundai.
Right now, I'm
Who drives it?
I'm sorry?
Who drives it?
Right now, my sister was the one that was driving.
Where's your
the Hyundai.
sister?
She's not here.
It's not your car. You don't drive it. This is what you told me. It's not your car. You don't drive it. It's your sister's car. You registered for her. The car's booted. What do you care? What's your sister worry about?
Because the car is
But she's home.
financed.
She sent you this morning because you're the apologist.
Your Honor.
I don't buy the argument. It's Mr. Quinn. Do you buy this argument?
I feel that the sister should be here,
Well,
but I can understand the motorist feeling that the car's registered to her, that she needed to appear, but I also agree with you, Your Honor. If she's not using the vehicle, she has nothing to do with the vehicle, why is she here willing to satisfy the fines?
Your Honor, the reason why I'm here to take the car, to try to get the car to the boot is because the car is financed and it's under my name as well. So if my sister is not here today, she doesn't show face. She doesn't care as much as I do because these fines are under my name, not hers, and the car is financed under my name.
Makes no sense. Makes no sense. All right. It's a very difficult thing for me to say this to you, but you came in with a story that's not believable.
Okay, that's the truth. I'm sorry that you don't believe
The truth
me.
is that you came in with a story that's not believable. That's the truth. Did your sister give you any money for the tickets?
No, she doesn't have any money.
Oh. And how much money are you prepared to pay?
Your Honor, this is under my name.
I
have to give
listen, I hear a
face.
lot of stories here. I see right through it. How much are you prepared to pay?
Your Honor, I have $500.
You had a baby last week.
That's it.
$100 to remove the boot, $400 for the tickets. All of the tickets.
Thank you.
So you're going to leave here today. The boot is going to be removed from the car. The environmental is going to be dismissed. And the tickets on the other cars are going to be dismissed as well. It bothers me that you're spending $500 when you just had a new baby for this.
It bothers me too.
Okay, I want you to know something. I know it appeared as though I was a little harsh with you, right? But that is nothing personal with you, you know, and I understand your circumstances. I want you to know that the original fines here were $1,800 $60. And nevertheless, I'm taking all of your circumstances into consideration, and I really want you to help yourself. So I'm going to reduce the fine to $500, and hopefully you'll be able to to pay that, right, and get this all straightened out.
Thank you.
So think of the baby.
Thank you.
Okay. Good luck to you. I really wish you well.
All rise and hit subscribe so you don't miss the latest viral moments like this one. Share these videos and weigh in on the cases. You be the judge. Subscribe now.